Hello everyone, this is Rajamanikam from QPT. A BBC News report has explained how AI is taking jobs away from humans. According to the report, a company fired all 60 copywriters following the introduction of an AI system for doing copywriting. This was implemented in stages. At first, the company introduced AI for suggesting titles, and then it introduced AI for writing content itself. They laid off many team members while keeping a few to make the AI content look human-written. Once the AI was trained enough to generate content indistinguishable from human-written work, all of the remaining team members were fired. Thanks for watching this video. Now you can get my ebooks with a huge discount at rajamanikam.com by using the discount code QPT. Contact me if you are interested in earning a 75% commission for selling my ebooks, software and course. Thanks.